Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding ways to build wealth without paying taxes. Can I actually do it? Many people think that paying taxes is just a part of life, something you can't escape. But what if I told you that there are ways to legally minimize your tax liabilities and keep more of your hard-earned money? The idea of getting rich without paying taxes sounds too good to be true, but it's not just a pipe dream. It's about being smart with your finances and knowing the right strategies to use. The fear of taxes can be overwhelming. It's like this huge cloud hanging over your head, making you hesitant to invest or make big financial decisions. You might think, why bother investing if I'm just going to get taxed anyway? But this kind of thinking can hold you back from achieving your financial goals. It's time to take control and face your fears head-on. By understanding how taxes work and using the right strategies, you can make informed decisions that help you build wealth. Taxes can be a major obstacle to building wealth. Think about it, every time you earn money, a portion of it goes to the government. But what if you could reduce that portion? There are strategies out there that can help, like taking advantage of tax deductions and credits. For example, if you're self-employed, you can deduct business expenses on your tax return. Or, if you're investing in renewable energy, you might qualify for tax credits. There are also investment options that can help you accumulate wealth without hefty tax penalties. Investing in a tax-advantaged retirement account, like a 401 or IRA, can reduce your taxable income. You can also consider investing in index funds or municipal bonds, which are often tax-efficient. The key is to do your research and find the strategies that work best for you. The wealthy have long been using strategies to minimize their tax liabilities. One powerful example is the concept of tax loss harvesting. This involves selling investments that have lost value to offset gains from other investments. By doing this, you can reduce your tax liability and keep more of your money. Another example is using a charitable trust to donate appreciated assets, which can help you avoid capital gains taxes. So, what can you do to build wealth without paying excessive taxes? It starts with being informed and taking control of your finances. The strategies I've discussed aren't just for the wealthy, they're available to anyone who takes the time to learn and implement them. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experiences with taxes that you'd like to share, or if you have questions about tax planning, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on wealth building strategies for more tips on achieving financial freedom.